Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to delete your Steam cloud saves. So first, of course, go to your Steam, and then once you're on your library and then you hit the game you want to delete the cloud saves, on the right most panel you will see the gear icon. This is the manage menu, and then here click on properties. Once you're here under general and the Steam cloud, just toggle this button here, this switch. So when it's blue or when it's on, then the Steam Cloud is active. Then for this video, you need to delete your save files. So turn it off. Once that's turned off, you exit that, and then to make sure your game doesn't um, upload the game saves to the cloud, you go to the installations or the game save directory and then delete your game save manually. So basically that's it.